Welcome back to my channel. In this channel today, I will show you one way how you can start making money just by writing articles. To this post here, let me show you. So let's just search. This will be the place where you will be posting your information and get paid. Medium is the place where you will be posting your articles and get paid as a partner. So we are here on the Medium platform. I will show you what you have to do. But before I show you, first, in order for you to be able to rank with your articles, you have to check here in the Medium the trending topics in order for you also to be able to rank, as you see here. So let's just scroll down for us to check those trending keywords or topics on this Medium. So as you see here, these are the recommended topics here in Medium. So I mean, if you write something related to these ones, you might be able to rank. So, and we will be able to write all these. In order for us to be able to write all these posts and get paid just by posting our posts on this Medium. As you see, these are the trend ones. These ones are the trend ones. So don't worry, because today I will show you one platform that will allow you to be able to write all these. As you see here, you will be able to write all these and get all these pictures. All these, you will be able to write this one just for free. You don't need and get. As you see here, this is the amount people. How long it was posted, this article. Let me show you. As you see here, it was 31 July. So this is the result. So if you want to start making money just by posting your information on Medium, so today I will show you straightforward. But before you post anything, so let me show you something. Before you post it, you have to come to this place here where is Google. You have to come to the Google here. You come to the Google, and when you come to Google, you have to search which keyword is. But before you search, you have to select worldwide. All right, because when you open this Google, it might be showing you in your own country, but you have to select it worldwide. So for example, we will be searching this Benny Man. All right, so let's check this and see the result. As you see here, so let me scroll just to show you the number. This I'm searching for is worldwide. As you see here, worldwide, I didn't specify any country. So as you see, Benny Man is getting 100,000 per month. 100,000 people are searching this, and I get this 100,000 visitors each month. So this is the amount. As you see, this keyword is getting this kind of traffic. Benny Man is getting every month 100,000. So this was my just example, but you can search any trending keyword. But before you search, first you have to check here on Medium which topics are trending, in order for you to write something that will be straight to rank, be on top. So when you come here, you will just check all these writers and check which one is and check all these trends for you to just grab and start writing. But when you come to here, what you have to do, you have to open your notepad for you to list all. As you see me here, Benny Man ticket is how to get your X back. So When you select, try to select minimum 100 keywords, and then you come to the Google, and you search these keywords. You search and you will see the result. So after that, when you get your keyword result, then you will have to come to this platform here. I'm about to show you this one, SEO Writing AI. This is the platform that will help you to write your article for free. As you see here, you can get started for free. So you will be able to write any kind of article. And when you come to this, you will be able, as you see, use user-friendly solution to generate content. So when you come to this place here, this platform, you will be able, as you see, you will be able to write. And this platform, what I like, it gives you also the pictures, gives you everything. It gives you the post, the blog post, and it gives you also the pictures for you to get everything. So if you want to find out more about this SEO Writing AI, I have left the link below in the description. You can check and it will bring you to this, and you can search and find out about this. But this is for free. Try this is for free. You will be able to, as you see, SEO tool to this optimize this. You can, and you will be able to get 100%. This is the result, 100%. So if you like this tutorial, please let me know something in the comment below. And if you have any question, please let me know. I will try to answer all your questions. So this is the platform I wanted to show you. You can start writing your blogs for free. As you see here, get your free today, this AI writing tool. So thank you very much for this, and I really appreciate. So just let me scroll for you to get more details about this. As you see here, this is the video. All right, let me just play it for you to. All right, just let me open it. As you see here, you can generate your blog post for free. So when you come to this, what you have to do, all right, let me show you. Get started. You just have to click here, get started. So you will give your name and your email and your password for you to sign up. So when you complete sign up, then you will have to add just a keyword. You will have just to add your keyword, and one keyword, then it will generate all the information for you. And if you have any question, you can talk to them here. As you see here, it will help you get all. It will help you to get all the answers you might have and you might want to know. As you see here. So thank you very much for this. I really appreciate. So let me see what other people are saying about this. As you see, Justin Lucas, I highly recommend this tool to anyone who is looking for a fast and easy way to write. As you see here, another one is this one. I have been using this tool for more than 2 weeks now, and I find it really amazing. The best thing about this tool is that it is very easy to use, and it has a lot of features that make working with it really fun. I'm sure that with the percentage of time, this tool will improve further and become even more user-friendly. As you see here, I absolutely loved using this tool. So these people are using this tool and are giving their how can I say, their comment in order for you to understand. I found this software to be very user-friendly and easy to follow. So if you want to find out about this tutorial, I have left the link in the description below. You can grab the link and you can come to this. You can sign up and start writing for free. As you see the magic of writing come to life. More than 10,000 plus bloggers, entrepreneurs, and marketers use SEO writing AI to create content designed to rank on Google. So this will help you also to rank on Google. But my suggestion is the first time you can use it for your blog, you can use it for anything else you might want. But in this case, if you want just writing blogs and post on Medium for you to make money, you can use this. It will help you a lot. So I hope you find benefit, you get benefit from this tutorial, and if so, please let me know something in the comment below. And thank you very much. For more information, please check in my description below. There you will get all the information. And if you have any question, please let me know in the comment below. I will answer all your questions. Thank you very much.